Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to give you a quick tour here in our small backyard garden. The weather is starting to change now, and as you can see, the flowers and the leaves are changing in colors. This is one of my hydrangeas in here, and it is all white before. Now the color is changing into pink. This is the bush type of hydrangea, and then I have another one in here which I trained into becoming a tree type of hydrangea. Which is doing really well. This is one of the roses that I planted last season. This is the Jens Monk rose, and it's starting to grow really big and bushy. As you can see, my blueberries in here. Look at the color of these blueberries. That means fall is coming. This is one of the bird bath that I really enjoy watching every day. There's so many finches that comes here and drink water almost every day. What I do is I sit on the bench and just sit still and then watch the birds coming in here. And they come for the drink or they bath in here. I have one birdhouse right here, and I wish there is something that's living in there, but so far it's been there for a year, but no birds discover it yet. Maybe soon. These are the Annabelle hydrangeas. They're turning into a green color as soon as the weather changes. And this is the moonrock hydrangea. I planted it last year and it looks so beautiful. It will grow, and the height will be about the fence, so I am excited to see it on that height. And this is my one of my climbing rose. This is Westerland rose, and there's some blooms up there. I am not sure, but this rose doesn't grow that fast. I did plant this last spring, and I did not see that much growth on this one. But on the other side, I have the new down rose in there, and it's very prolific. This is just 1 year old, and look how tall it is. And it already climbed all the way to the top of the arbor. I have some zinnias in here that I place in pots. These are grown from seeds. There's no other color here after the Annabelle hydrangeas blooming. So I popped some nice zinnias that will attract hummingbirds there at the back of this bench right here. Now this flower right here, I grow this from seeds as well. Since the season is changing, look at the leaves turning into yellows. And hummingbirds love this flower. This is one of my bird bath here. And this is the favorite place of the sparrows to hang out. I love my water fountain in here. The sound of the water is so soothing. That's why I love to come down here and just sit down and relax for a little bit while I'm watching the pollinators, the birds, the bees, the butterflies, the hummingbirds. It's so nice to have just a small area just to enjoy the nature right on my backyard. Finally, my cosmos is flowering. These I grow from seeds too, and it's just starting to bloom. It's so pretty. I have another blueberry bush in here. So that's this one right here, and then the other one is over on that side. I am planning to make a box for this blueberry. This year it did not have any fruits, so I'm thinking I have to dig it out and plant it in a box because I think it's lacking of nutrients. I am not pretty sure, but that's the plan, to dig it out and then plant it on the box, and at least it's a little bit higher, and hopefully it will do good. This is the Litchfield angel from let's see the name of it, the tag. I'm not sure about it. Let's see. So here from David Austin, it's Litchfield angel. It's a shrub rose. I just planted it recently, and look, that flower will be open soon. So it's a great addition here in my small backyard garden. I want to show you some of the clematis that I grew from cuttings. So these are a climbing clematis that I grew from cuttings, and I'm hoping to have that soon so that it would be ready for this fall to plant and place it somewhere here in my garden. I have at least 4 of the clematis, and I think I am thinking to plant it right there on the other side of the arbor. So the garden now is slowing down, and soon it's time for me to clean it up. I want to show you my vegetable garden. If you look up here, there's so many beans to be harvested. Look at that. I am going to harvest it this afternoon so that we can have it for dinner. We have many cucumbers over there that need to be harvested. There's a volunteer squash on that side right there. And we have some Swiss chard, kale. Oh, here, I'm gonna show you this one. This I planted from seeds as well. So I have a perennial flowers that I grew from seeds. This is the Sweet Williams. I have 5 pots in here. So I will plant it in the front yard in the fall. And then I have some coneflower as well here that I started from seeds. There's one right there. So this is how I save money doing my gardening. If you plant ahead from seeds, you will have it for the next season. Okay, let's go to the side or the pathway here. Oh, anyways, this is a cosmos. Oh no, it's not a cosmos, a marigold, I think. And I am waiting for it to flower, but I'm not sure why it's not flowering. Hopefully it will flower soon before it gets colder in here. Look at this beautiful rose right here. Isn't it pretty? That's beautiful. Oh, there's a hummingbird right there on the beans. Here, you see that? That's a hummingbird right there. You know, I am planting I have planted these beans just for the hummingbird, because I know every year they come here and fed on my garden. Look at that beautiful hummingbird. They love the beans. It's coming back, but oh, it's gone. I call it the bird fairy here in my garden. They come here every day and then enjoy what's in the garden. They love these beans right here. This is a scarlet runner beans. If you want to attract a hummingbird, plant a scarlet running beans in your garden, and then some zinnias. They would love your garden. They will keep coming back year after year. So this is one of my dahlia right here. So beautiful. And here is one of the Westerland rose that I planted here last year. And it's growing all the way to the top. And then I have the Topaz Jewel as well that just finished blooming. So in this side of the garden right here, I'm planning to redo this side here. I just planted some black-eyed Susan in here because I want to have some bright color here in the summer. So I planted a whole bunch of black-eyed Susan right there. So this is the Annabelle hydrangea, and this called let me see the name of this one right here. This is, okay, what's the color of this? Oh, a City Line Venice hydrangea. So I'm hoping that it will bloom next year. And then in between I have another Annabelle hydrangea, and then I have the Bloomstruck hydrangea I just planted recently in here as well. So hopefully next year this side of the garden will be beautiful. I'm hoping. And on this other side here, this will be the roses. And there's more roses in here. So anyways, my garden is very young, and I am always excited of what's happening here. Year after year, I am always looking forward to see what's new in the garden, what's growing, what's not growing. And this helped me a lot with my how could I say it? This helped me relax. It becomes like a therapy to me. You know, pulling the weeds, watching the nature that comes here, and enjoying all the flowers. And not only that, eating all the foods that I grow here on my backyard. So anyways, I just wanna show you quickly my small backyard garden. I hope you are having a good day, and thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you on the next one. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It will help my channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.